Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today we install our Android screen in a 2012 BMW Z4 and we add backup camera too. We use our universal leaf mount. It goes right on top of the license plate. So this car came with just the storage compartment on top of the dash. So here it was basically just using for storage, and also we add the iDrive knob too. So right now we are doing wireless CarPlay. We have a lot of videos for BMW units, but just showing you how does it work, like briefly. So we add backup camera by going to reverse. It shifts to backup camera with dynamic guideline, and go back to park or drive. It switches back to the main menu. We were on Apple CarPlay, so it goes back to Apple CarPlay. So basically the way that the unit works, it connects to your head radio head unit, and by going to auxiliary you're gonna have sound through our screen. I'm not gonna play anything due to copyright on YouTube, but you can use the touch screen or you can use the iDrive knob controller that we added to the screen. You can use either or. Plus you get the digital dash. It comes with RPM and speed. If you insert SIM card inside the unit, or if you share your Wi-Fi to the unit, as you can see in the center, you can see the weather too. And by going home, you can browse on the main menus. You can watch videos, you can install apps. If you like any apps, you can install it from Play Store. Again, you can do CarPlay wirelessly, you can do Android Auto wirelessly and wired for both. And doesn't matter what type of phone you have, the unit runs based on Android, but you can use any phone, iPhone or Android phone. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.